What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna do some cleaning life hacks using Coca-Cola. So let's get started. I'm not sure if you tried to clean those cracks in the tiles before, but they are actually really difficult to clean. I have tried it myself and trust me, they are not easy. But I have seen Coca-Cola clean a lot of stuff really magically. So I'm not really sure if this one is really going to work, but I'm going to stay positive and I'm gonna say this one might work. But the only way to find out is to try it out. So stay with me, guys. Let's try it out. Excuse me. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have found actually pretty good area right here. This part right here is pretty clean, not completely clean, but somewhat clean, and this part is dirty. So I'm going to try cleaning this part, see if it comes anywhere close to being clean as this one right here. I'm going to let this sit for a while. Maybe the carbonation will do some magic by staying on it for a little bit. So as you can see this right here, it looks like it did got slightly a little bit more cleaner. I'm not really sure if it got cleaning because of my scrubbing or if the Coca-Cola had anything to do with it. But to have a better check, I'm going to have some more Coca-Cola stay on right here for a while and I'm going to check on it by cleaning it later. So this has been sitting here for a while right now. I'm going to try scrubbing it again and hopefully this part will become as clean as this right here. Alright, so as you can see, this not very much improvements at all. It's slightly improvement. Let's say if this was 10 before, right now it's 6. So it did get some cleaner, but not as nearly clean as this right here. You guys can see the comparison yourself. Alright, so as you guys saw the live comparison, it did look somewhat cleaner. Like I said, it's 6 out of 10, but it was not nearly as clean. So is this hack realistic? Somewhat. I'm going to say this one is plausible. Is this good enough for my house where I want to clean my tiles with Coca-Cola and have them looking like that? No, for me that is not good at all. I'm going to say for me that is busted. But if you want to have your tiles looking somewhat clean, you can say this hack is plausible. Alright, so let's see if our next hack is plausible or realistic or busted. Whoa, what is up with the total makeover? I hope you like it. I'm not really sure if mixing the Coca-Cola with the toothpaste is going to do anything at all. First of all, my concern is that if the toothpaste would dissolve as easily in the Coca-Cola, my prediction is even after shaking it, there'll still be chunks of the toothpaste at the bottom of the Coca-Cola. Also for the cleaning part, if the sink was cleaned with only the Coca-Cola, I think that will have the same exact result as cleaning with the toothpaste as well. I don't think the toothpaste is going to do anything at all. Also, I think this hack is going to be busted. My prediction is that it will not clean as clear as they show in their video. But again, from many videos you've seen before, I'm not always right. So maybe this is a really magical life hack, so let's try it out. Alright, so this bottle is really hard right now. The pressure I built up, if I keep shaking it, it will probably explode. But as you can see right here, there is still a lot of chunks of the toothpaste at the bottom. It did break down. It is no longer a single chunk, but there is still at the bottom. I have actually made this and kept it overnight, and this is what I found. As you can see, the top part is really dark, hence it's all the Coca-Cola, and the bottom is completely white. all the toothpaste is at the bottom. So that prediction was right. They don't dissolve easily. But maybe it will still clean. So let's go to the bathroom and see if it cleans or not. Alrighty, so as you can see, we found some really dirty sink right here. I got two different type of stains. First one right here as yellow and second one as this one right here. But to show if the toothpaste and the Coca-Cola dissolved completely, as you can see at the bottom right here, it did not. Maybe some of it did dissolve because the Coca-Cola looks a little bit more lighter color, but that also can be because I shook it and there's a lot of carbonation in there. But the whole point is to see if it cleans or not. So let's try that out. Alright, so the hard stain that you saw in this area, it was actually not stable. After even pouring the Coca-Cola, that one almost came up. That one pretty much was just floating. But after the actual cleaning, as you can see, this part is still in there. Some of the parts that got into the cracks still remains in the area. Also, the black stain completely remains in the area as well. Alright, I'm gonna say that did not clean anything at all. From the scrubbing that got a little bit off, I'm going to say that was surely from the muscle power. If you took a regular sponge and you scrubbed it without the Coca-Cola and the toothpaste, you'd get the same exact result. So I'm gonna say that one was busted. So from both of the life hacks that you saw today, the first one, it did clean somewhat. That is definitely not clean enough for me. So I'm gonna say that one is busted. The level of clean that it got, I would say that one was only because of the scrubbing that you did from the hand. If you do with the regular sponge, you'd probably get the same exact results. For both of the hacks, it was not clean at all. If you use something like bleach or maybe a baking soda with vinegar, you'd get a lot better results. Using Coca-Cola, I definitely got some good results before, such as removing bloodstains from clothes and clearing out foggy headlights. Those ones using Coca-Cola definitely did work, so make sure to check out those videos. But for today, both of the hacks, I didn't think Coca-Cola or toothpaste did anything at all. So I'm gonna say both of them were completely busted. The idea for today's video was recommended by one of you, so shout out to Alwey. Make sure to check out his channel. He does experiments using 1000-degree nickel bowl. So show him some love. His link is in the description below. Guys, I've actually found the best YouTube channel name there is. Are you ready for this? Boom! Hack Buster is the best. Oh, don't you just love hearing it? Thank you so much, fam. I really appreciate it. You guys heard me on my last video. I love this channel name, so big shout out to you. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time to watch my videos, guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Hack Buster family. If you're one of my loyal subscribers and came to show some more love and support, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for being with me throughout the journey. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up. Subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly when I post a video and you can be the early squad. I love my early squads. But most importantly, make sure to share this video with your friends and family so they also know which life hack is busted and which one is real, so they don't waste their time and money recreating those fake life hacks. To watch my last video, click right here. To see another video, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click on my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.